Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to look at how to have IPTV over your television. So you would need to get into the App Store. Right now we are looking into Samsung TV, and in the App Store try to look for this particular application which is called IPTV Starters Pro. So make sure you are on the same app with this logo and then install that on your smart TV. After you installing, you will get this user license agreement. So scroll down and then click on accept. This is the place, the landing page where you would need to enter the playlist name, username, password and URL. Once you have this add user, then you will start to see the IPTV on your television and browse to the channels, search to the movies and all the stuff you can see. And remember, this is not a free application forever. Right now you can see this for free for 7 days. I guess it depends on the terms and conditions. Right now at the time of making this video, this is free for 7 days. After that I need to pay an one-time charge of almost $3 to $5. I don't particularly remember, but after that app will be free and you can access the IPTV free for then after. And thanks for watching. Remember, the IPTV subscription is separate from the app payments method. So app payment is only one time payment and you can use that app for lifetime, but for the IPTV subscription you still need to pay the fee to your service provider. Hope this video is helpful and see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye.